ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? እሸቱ ነኝ ዘጠነኛ የክፍል የሂሳብ መምህር ከሉሲ ብሪጅ አካዳሚ። Today we are going to learn about basic trigonometric identities. Okay? ስለ ሳይን ኮሳይን እና ታንጀንት መጀመሪያ እነኝን ማወቅ ይኖርብናል። ከዛ በኋላ እነ ኮሴካንት ሴክ እና ኮታንጀንት የነዚህ ሪስፕሮካል ናቸው። ይሄን በስፋት እናያለን። ከዛ በፊት ግን እንደተለመደው ዌብሳይታችን lucybridgeacademy.com እየገባችሁ የተለያዩ ጥያቄዎችን ታገኛላችሁ፣ አጫጭር ኖቶችን ታገኛላችሁ። እንዲሁም ደግሞ ከአምስት ቋንቋዎች በላይ መረዳት የሚያስችላችሁ የራሳችሁ የሆነ ፐርሰናላይዝድ AI አሲስታንስ ፕላትፎርም ታገኛላችሁ። ስለዚህ ሰብስክራይብ ያደርጋችሁ ጆይን ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። Angles and their measures. An identity involving trigonometric expression is trigonometric identity እንላለን ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ sin x ማለት 1 over cosec x ነው። Okay, so this is one of the identity. Okay, the reciprocal identity እንላለን። Sin and cosec are reciprocal identities. Cosine and sec are reciprocal identities. Tangent and cotangent are reciprocal identities. These are reciprocal identities እንላቸዋለን። There are also Pythagorean identities. Trigonometric Pythagorean identities ይኖሩናል። Okay. Again, half angle, double angle identity የመሳሰሉት እናያለን። ዛሬ ግን በስፋት የምናየው Pythagorean identity እና the reciprocal identity ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Look, the reciprocal identity sin theta is equal to 1 over cosec theta. Okay. Again, cos theta is equal to 1 over sec theta. Tan theta, which is equal to cot theta. That means sin is the reciprocal of cosec, cos is the reciprocal of sec, tan is the reciprocal of cot, and vice versa. The initial definition of the tangent function, tan x, which is equal to sin x over cos x. So tan x sin x over cos x ከሆነ cot x ምን ይሆናል? Since cot is the reciprocal of cot theta, which is equal to cot is the reciprocal of tan, therefore it is cos theta over sin theta ይሆናል። The reciprocal of sin theta over cos theta is cos theta over sin theta. And the reciprocal identity lead us to the quotient identities. Okay, from sin theta over cos theta is equal to tan theta, multiplying both sides by cos theta, provided that cos theta is different from 0. In this case, sin theta is equal to cos theta times tan theta. Let P, X, and Y is a point on the terminal side of angle theta from the Pythagorean identity x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared. You can take the Pythagoras identity, use right angle triangle, and one of the acute angle is make it theta, and its opposite side is y, and its adjacent side is x, and the hypotenuse of the right angle is r. In this case, I know that using Pythagoras theorem, r square is equal to x square plus what? Y square. Now dividing both sides by r square, which is equal to x square plus y square over r square over r square over r square, 1 which is equal to x over r the whole square plus y over r the whole square. 1 is equal to x over r means theta. What is sin theta? Cos theta means x over r, or adjacent over hypotenuse. Therefore x over r means cos theta, cos square theta, plus y over r also sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is y and hypotenuse is r. Simply it is y over r. So it is cos squared sin squared theta. Okay, sin squared theta. Simply እዚህ ጋር እንደምታዩት okay, ይሄ የመጀመሪያው አይዴንቲቲ sin squared theta plus cos squared theta, which is equal to 1 ነው ማለት ነው። በተመሳሳይ መንገድ ሁለቱንም በx square by square ብናካፍል, dividing both of the expression by y square, you will have cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. ይሄን ታገኛላችሁ ማለት ነው። እሺ ተማሪዎች፣ የዚህን ክፍል ሙሉ ክፍል ማግኘት ከፈለጋችሁ ዌብሳይታችን ላይ ወይም ደግሞ የሞባይል አፕሊኬሽናችሁ ላይ ታገኙታላችሁ።